to hold handrails firmly at all times.
Window trim.
Window trimmer.
Cloudy day. So here we are at our favorite coffee place. Our favorite dogs are in this place. So this morning, window trim.
And you're hanging.
So is this going to get you through trim hanging?
Might. With my eager apprentice.
Ah. So I got a lesson today on creating the most velvety microphones. So you can do latte art like, well, it's easier to do latte art like this.
Yeah, you still need talent.
Excuse me?
You still need talent. Not you, I mean just generally.
Yes, this is true. So hopefully somebody orders a coffee and I can film that. I feel like it's just a
That's oat milk, so it's a little bit different. Yeah, the alternative milks are never the same as velvety smooth that you can get with the actual breakdown of the milk protein and real milk.
We see that you're open on Sundays. We're
Super exciting.
so excited.
Yes.
We had to look for coffee on Sunday elsewhere. We tried everywhere. It doesn't match here. Excellent.
So we've heard. That's why we're going to be open.
Good, good.
Exciting.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
That was like my first news interview.
This just in.
Listen to this. That coconut fell from up here. We have to open it up to see what's in that. I don't think I want to drink this because that coconut looks so old. We'll get Tony to drink it first.
All of a sudden, my insides have a special resistance to this stuff. Tastes fine. Tastes like coconut water.
Oh yeah, Tim. It's really fine, I promise.
I didn't drink any, did you?
Oh, it is.
It's fine. Have it. It's good for you.
No, we'll put it here next to the
All the
pelvis
things
bone
we
we
found.
found. Oh, I did not find a dead rabbit. But let's go look at the pieces of that. This looks like a little rabbit, and there are little rabbits here. They look like cottontails. Something got it. A hawk or something. This is the wilds of Florida. So you guys, we're back here to play bocce because we've been working really hard on our house. Tony has his daughter here, Chloe, who's been helping a lot. We've been painting and finishing off some window trim. So here it is, the end of the day. We're trying to take a little bit of a break. Let me show you how pretty it is on the other side of Little Sarasota Bay. So this is a really beautiful place. This is a county park. So it's open to everybody. I kind of feel like I'm at Tara here. Tara, is that the name of it? Scarlett O'Hara's homeland. Oh, Rhett. Time to play bocce. So what if we just each take a couple balls?
Yeah.
So there's the big balls. Where's the little ball?
After we've ready, it's down there.
Okay.
It's a long game this time.
Okay.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Questi bei panacchini, quel cappello
And it needs to go to the top, I think to the middle of each one.
Quel vermiglio d'onesco color, quel vermiglio d'onesco color.
Yeah, and just
Non più frai,
Quei
okay.
quel cappello, quella chioma, quell'aria brilla.
Bye, bocce. So it's been cloudy today, probably about 70 degrees. One of the few cloudy days I guess Florida gets. But it's our last day here, so we decided to take a look at the beach Siesta Key before we leave. The first time I saw this sand, I was sure it was snow. PTSD from New England. But this sand originates underneath the Appalachian Mountains and dumps out here as 99% quartz. That's why it's so white. It's like talcum. Let's check out the water. So this is the Gulf of Mexico.
Great all year.